Today we are going to start our 6th chapter, that is the use of me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Actually these words are all called object pronoun. And in our previous chapter we learned about some uses of some words. Those words are called subject pronoun. So let's revise pronoun. What is pronoun? So a pronoun is a short word that replaces a noun in order to make speaking and writing English less repetitive. Okay, so now there are two types of pronoun, subject pronoun and object pronoun. Subject pronoun is the doer or subject pronoun is the doer or the one who does an action, and object pronoun is a receiver or which receives an action. So subject pronoun usually comes at the beginning of a sentence, and object pronoun comes after the verb in the sentence. So the words that are subject pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, they, we. So we already have studied about the use of all these words. An object pronoun. Object pronouns are used instead of nouns, as we all know, usually because we already know what the object is. It makes the sentence easier to read and understand and avoid repetition. So examples or the object pronouns or objective pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, them, us. So as I have told you that subject pronouns comes usually at the beginning of the sentence. So like I can sing, you can sing, he can sing, she can sing, it can sing, they can sing, we can sing. So as you what you are noticing here, these are the words that are doing something. So this is the thing, singing or sing, can sing, and these are the words that are doing. So these are the doers. Now here, as you can see here, she likes me, she likes you, she likes him, she likes her, she likes it, she likes them, she likes us. So they are the object pronoun or the receiver or the words that receive action. Okay, so look at one more sentence. I saw him today. So here in this sentence, I is the subject pronoun. As you can see here, I is the doer of this thing. Whatever is happening in this sentence, I is the doer. So I is a subject pronoun. Saw is an action or verb here, and him. I saw him. So him is a receiver. So him is an object pronoun. So I saw him today. Saw, action or verb. I is a subject pronoun, and as you can notice here, I with I the sentence is beginning, and him is an object pronoun or the receiver, and it is coming after verb. Look at some more examples. John eats pizza. So instead of John we have written here he eats. Instead of pizza we have written it. He eats, but he eats it. So here, which word is showing us that word is a doer of what is happening in the sentence? This word, he eats pizza, or he eats it. So he is a subject pronoun, and it is also the sentence is beginning from this word, so it's a subject pronoun. Eats it, so it's a receiver, so it is an object pronoun. Now the second example, the dog bites a man. The dog, we can use it instead of this. The dog bites a man. Instead of a man we can write him. So it bites him. It is a subject pronoun and him is an object pronoun.